Today I'm going to be unboxing the PODMIC by Rode. I am very excited about this one because it is the limited edition white. I've always wanted a white PODMIC. Reason being is because my whole setup is predominantly got a very strong white accent to it. My case is white, all the internals, the cooling fans, the radiator, the RAM sticks, everything is white. It's all lit up white. My desk is white, so I thought to match, I wanted a white microphone. But Rode hadn't made a white PODMIC yet until now. My mate just sent me a link saying that they were doing a limited run of these, so I had to get my hands on it. They are priced exactly the same. They go for the same retail price they usually are, which is such a good price because these are by far the best mic, in my opinion, for its price point. It is the best bang for buck dynamic mic you can get. There is nothing like this, at least in Australia. I don't know what it's like in the States. I know this brand Rode is an Australian brand, so I don't know if it's a big markup over there, but from what I know, these are the best bang for buck. So let's get into it. I'm very excited to unbox this because I really want to use it straight away. I have already cut the tape here just because I didn't want to waste too much time, but I haven't actually opened it. So this to me is the first time I'm laying my eyes on it. I really don't want to ruin the box or rip it apart. I have such fat fingers. Ooh. Little quick start guide. Again, Rodecaster, big fan of that. Oh, there she is. Even better lighting for you guys. How awesome does that look already? It's not even out of its sleeve yet. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. That looks so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. How clean does that look? How awesome is that? I am so hyped for this. First impressions, I really like the black grille. It really accents the white. It gives it a lot of contrast. The black logo print, absolutely love it. It looks so clean, oh my gosh. I cannot wait to use this. Far out, that looks awesome. I'm sorry, I'm just taking it all in. All right, let's get all this stuff off the desk. There we go, desk is clear. So why did I get this mic? I actually don't own a PODMIC. All my mates own one. All the podcast studios that I've recommended to fit out, I've always recommended these and they've used them and I've been always so happy with them. And then now that I've just moved into the new place, got the new setup going, I've always wanted a white microphone and was hoping Rode would do a white one. I've seen there's like a white sleeve that goes over it, or some people have modified theirs to paint it white, but then when they released this, I was like, done deal, I'm getting it now. I already know it's a great performing mic. Now it's in the color that I really wanted it in. Right now, I'm using this mic that you guys are hearing is the Sennheiser MKH416. I'll bring it into shot for you guys. You can see, that's probably gonna be really loud for you, sorry. I know you guys are probably thinking, that is a $1,000 microphone. What are you doing with a $179 microphone in Australian dollars? Well, fair. The short answer is the context that I'm using the microphone in and the environment that I'm using the microphone in. The Sennheiser boom mic is a boom mic. It is exactly that. It is a very sensitive directional microphone. So right now it's pointed at my chest, but anything in its line of fire, it will pick up. It is extremely sensitive. In a piece to camera like this, especially in a controlled environment, would absolutely obliterate this, right, performance-wise. I'm a videographer, being able to use it in a scene, booming it over actors, it's clear as day. Really good at doing that. You can't really do that with this. It does not really pick up things that far away from it, even though if it's in the line of fire. It is designed to be talked right into as close as you can. You probably heard the term, you gotta be eating this microphone. You gotta be, like your lips have to be touching the mic. It's got its internal pod filter. So it's really designed to be really talked into as close as you can. That's how you get the most optimal audio out of it. Pros and cons, it's different they perform differently. They're for different situations. So this boom mic, great for this piece of camera, whereas this, great for podcasting, which is why I always recommend it for podcasts. For me, I'm going to be using this for streaming and for gaming. At the moment, I have been using this boom mic, and the quality is great, but it picks up everything. If I have the fan on, the fan will be blowing air into its line of fire, it'll pick it up. The neighbor's dog that's barking, it'll pick it up. Right now, I'm lucky because the dog isn't barking and the fan's off. It's a fairly controlled environment, but usually it isn't, right? I want to have the fan on. I'm in Queensland and I'm sweating. It's so hot. I want to have the fan on right now. So this mic is great, especially I'm going to have it on one of the suspension arms. So as I move around on my desk, I can just pull it with me and keep it on my mouth at all times. I'll always have good, clear audio, and it's not going to be annoying everyone in my online chat lobbies on Discord or whatever, or in games with a dog barking and the fan blowing into it, into their headphones. It's just super annoying. So don't want to be that guy. I'm not selling this mic. I'm not getting rid of it. In its own context, it would absolutely obliterate this. It would outperform this as a boom mic, but this is a dynamic mic, and for the context I'm using it in here, it is a lot better than using the $1,000 Sennheiser boom mic. So you're probably now going to be seeing me use this on my live streams. I live stream on Kick, and I post all my shorts and reels on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, TikTok. I am called Panda Poops, that's my gamer tag. I like to have fun jamming and making memes with my friends. Come over to that channel, come over to those platforms, see me use this mic, check it out for yourself to see what it sounds like. But yes, in conclusion, this is the Rode PodMic in the limited edition white. I am so hype about this, if you can't already tell. It looks so good, so schmick. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Take care.